Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're making something simple but super delicious, my special Shin Ramen recipe. First boil the eggs and vegetables in bok choy another pot. Okay, let's boil our ramen. Let everything cook together nicely. Then take a bowl. Add the egg yellow parts in ramen sauce and mayonnaise and mix nicely. Now add your boiled noodles, moyashi, and bok choy into the bowl. Then cut the boiled egg and place it on top. Just perfect. At last, drizzle some goma and a little Chinese chili oil. Serve it with a little rice or salad on the side. Enjoy the meal. Thank you very much for watching.